Today we're going to make a Caprese salad with burrata cheese. Burrata, not a burrito, it's a burrata. And I'm going to teach you a graceful waltz. So stay tuned. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need for today's dish. We're going to need some onion, some garlic, tomatoes, some basil. I love basil. I use this a lot. And some burrata cheese. Of course, as well, extra virgin olive oil and some good balsamic vinegar. I was driving to Stouffville to pick up this ridiculous plant at 19th Avenue Market. Look at this thing. It's gigantic, but delicious. And I stopped by a winery. So nearby, there's the Willow Springs Winery, and they have beautiful Cab Franc from 2014. This is their Testa. It's a beautiful ruby color, full bodied. It's been oaked for 12 months. It's very good. Will go great with this dish. I'm going to make some garlic infused olive oil. So first I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil to the bowl. And then take my garlic press. Picked up this garlic press online. I love it. My last garlic press broke. This one is stainless steel. Very easy to clean. Fits lots of garlic. So I'm going to put that in the chute here. All three. Maybe three is excessive. Just gonna squeeze all that in. Put the last garlic in there. And squeeze that baby in there. Okay, we got everything. Add some salt, pink Himalayan salt. You can use any type of salt you like. And we're going to add some pepper. And we're going to add the balsamic vinegar as well. Look at that. Looks like a face. We're going to just mix that up. Make a little vinaigrette almost. Yummy in my tummy. All right, now we're going to take some basil. When I mean some, I mean lots. And this is actually called the micro basil plant because basil leaves are tiny. All right, now we're going to plate this dish. So we're going to take this one down. This is heavy. Not really. We're going to move everything over. Got our bowl here, our plate. It's not a bowl. We're going to take our burrata cheese. And burrata cheese, it's like a type of mozzarella cheese. It's milk dairy cheese, cow cheese, moo cheese. And we're going to put some tomatoes. Spread those all around. Okay. That's enough. add some onions. Now, I know normally on a Caprese salad you don't add garlic and onions, but this is how I do it. Okay, so if you don't like onions, if you want to keep it authentic, then don't use burrata cheese, use buffalo mozzarella or regular mozzarella. Buffalo, tomato. Now we're going to add beautiful basil all around. Some on top as well. And then we're going to use our vinaigrette. I'm just going to put that on top. The cheese. Garlic, balsamic, vinegar, olive oil. Quick, easy, delicious. Today, I'm going to teach you the oldest and most classical of the ballroom dances, the slow waltz. We're going to start with our feet together, weight on the right foot. We're going to go left foot forward, right foot to the side, close your feet. Right foot back, left foot to the side, close your feet. Forward, side, together, back, side, together. One more time. Left foot forward, right foot to the side, close your left foot to the right foot back, left foot to the side, close your right foot to your left foot. Now there's 3 beats in the bar of music in the waltz, so each step is 1 beat. So you're going to go forward on 1, right foot to the side on 2, close your left foot to the right foot on 3. Right foot back on 1, left foot to the side on 2, close your feet on 3. Let's try the practice hold. We're going to lift the arms up, elbows slightly lower than the shoulders and slightly in front. You're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when you're dancing the waltz, you want to keep your feet in parallel position, so they're both lining up always in the same direction. You want to keep the weight over the balls of the feet. So we always think nose over the toes. So you should be able to lift the heels off the floor very easily. As well, your posture is very important. So very important to keep all the blocks lined up from the head all the way down to the toes. Let's try with some music. See you next time.